In this video, I will show you how you can create your Autosnipe.AI account. To get started, go ahead and open Autosnipe.AI on your browser so you get redirected into this section. Create an account, simply hit on that connect and snipe at the top right of your screen. You can also click on this connect, snipe, and earn at the middle of your screen. So as you can see in here, you'll need to have a wallet, cryptocurrency wallet, to be able to create an Autosnipe.AI account. So you can have a Phantom wallet or Software wallet, and if you have selected Phantom wallet, that will redirect you into the app on your device. If you have Phantom wallet installed on your device, so make sure that you have that installed. Hit on the connect button to confirm connecting your Phantom wallet to your Autosnipe.AI account. And once you get redirected into the browser again, you just need to hit on that connect over again, and you get redirected to Phantom wallet again, and you need to confirm connecting your Autosnipe.AI account to your Phantom wallet, and you'll be able to successfully create an account on Autosnipe.AI. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.